Launching off of pad number 4. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, that's it. Somewhere.
That's coming at it. Coming down. It's just a streamer, right?
Yeah, it's streamer.
Even with the pad.
Okay, who's on number 5?
Nice.
Who's 5?
Not all of them will take off, I'm sure, but they're hoping they will. Ready, flyers, on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Launch. Let's try it again on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Mine was late, but it's still on.
Which one is mine?
All right, number 3, you need an igniter.
Yeah, that's on the mark.
Pad 5 on a B4. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. That'll teach you to use twist. Okay. Pad number 2. Pad number 2. Pad number 2. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. B-12 on the Space Shuttle. Ready?
Ready.
On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. The shuttle is shuttling. A little tangle in the chute, but you're okay. And there goes the shuttle.
Nice.
Exploring the planet of the dream. 1, launch. 2, 1, launch.
Starbuck, pull up. Oh, all right. Saved by the emergency chute.
There it goes. There it is.
Go get it? I think that's about the perfect angle.
With an altimeter in it. D12 motor. Ready to fly in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Sizzle.
I've done this on a 2-stage.
We're gonna hit the truck.
Fungi Max on a D motor. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Parachute, streamer, tiny parachute.
Looks like it's a little bit angled.
Good for you.
Yeah, that helps. Yeah, so
Okay, so what's in this 2-stager?
D12A8.
so it kind of
D12A8.
reefed itself.
It slides right in under the boundary, so.
Okay, wave at it. On 5, 4,
Goodbye.
3, 2, 1, launch.
Can you watch my booster?
Yeah, I got it right there. It's headed right to
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Glad somebody got it.
Okay, on the other side of the car.
And the rocket itself.
right there. Under this Mylar streamer. We're asking about Mylar streamers. Hopefully it'll go on the other side of the tree. I hope. Oh, I think you just
Yeah, I
there,
just
buddy.
made it. Yeah. Alright, you missed the tree here. I didn't bring my pole with me. And it says 9:10.
Race.
Uh-oh.
Just because.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Pad 1, 2, and 3.
Start your engines.
Launching on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Really? You gotta be shitting.
Three's not bad.
I wanted to play, but I got
Mine's the only one that. There you go. There you go.
Oh, we have a meatloaf song going.
All right, pad number 4.
Right into the eye.
Pad number 4.
I'll just have to say
Who it is. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
That'll be okay.
Number 5.
Look at this
Look
rocket.
at the pad 1 over
If
there.
it's coming towards you, just get out of the way. Theatrically, if possible.
Wagnerian.
Little bitty motor rocket.
Watch it.
We got a green light. We're flying in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
It worked. Okay, it worked better than last time.
Yay! All right.
I really like this area here. Yeah. I don't know if it shows up in the camera. They're so small. They kind of appear and disappear in the light.
Because I know back in like the old days, that was
It's a rocket. On
C63.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. It took a left turn.
The pointy end is kind of up.
Here you go.
Get it back.
Nice shoot.
That worked.
Yeah. It's always better to get into the middle of the field than in the middle of the.
Oh, upright. You did a SpaceX landing.
yeah, so it stuck the landing
That's cool.
and not lawn dart.
Okay. To the engine so you don't lose the engine when it ejects.
And it's still kind of featherweight recovery mostly.
Yeah.
Of course, my Kevlar is starting to look a little worse for wear there, but
You
it
might
still
have to
works.
replace that in another launch or two.
Yeah, I've got a huge spool of this stuff. It's not like I'm gonna run it out in my
Right.
lifetime.
Of course.
Okay. Launching on pad 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. That actually worked pretty well.
It's spinning really fast.
Yeah, it was. Rifling it. I think I'm dizzy.
Pad number 2. Pad number 2 on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Oh, there you go. Come on, parachute.
Yeah, they did that on purpose.
There you go.
Upside down.
Upside down, but
it's a
none the
little
worse for
tangled,
wear.
but hey, it worked.
Yeah.
Pad number 3. Pad number 3 on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. And it goes that way, now it comes this way, now it stays there.
I think it's headed to the cars.
That's the definition of meandering.
Right there at the pad. Wow. You get the spot landing award.
C12?
D.
D12, okay. All right, on number 6, a D12 on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Whoa, that's a little bit early.
Yeah, it didn't come out all the way.
That's okay, you won't have
think
to
it'll
walk that far.
survive.
Short walk.
There it is. Oh, there.
4, launching on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Come on. Woo.
You just tried to do what the other guy did.
And we had 437.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Look at that bird.
Damn it.
That's an interesting streamer. There he goes.
Oh, it's nicer when it opens up in the sky.
4, 3, 2, 1, launch.
Into the wind.
Quarter A3.
Dave, go ahead and just leave those on the ground. And I'll,
All right, where are we?
where are we? Up there. You see it?
Oh yeah, I'm on the view screen. Thank you, sir.
Down, down, down. And down. All right,
Long walk.
start walking. Not as long as it could have been.
Yep.
Okay, who's on 5?
Quarter A3.
Quarter A3 on the camouflage rocket. On
Yeah,
5,
good luck finding that
4,
in the
3,
grass.
2, 1, launch. Zippy, 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 zip.
Oh, that'll be easy to find. Short walk. Well, so far, no rattlesnakes, but there are fire ants out and about. Oh, there it is. 463.
No flights of the day on pad 4. Motor.
Both are C65.
Okay, both rockets are C65. We're going on pad 4. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Da-da-da-da. Nice, right. I heard the pop, and here it comes.
Separation.
Oh no.
Here comes the body.
Okay, I see that.
Not too far away from it.
You got the nose cone?
Yeah, just to the right of the bushes there.
Got a streamer on it.
Yeah, go get it so you don't lose sight of it. And then
The dog barf is what it was. Hates the dog barf. I don't see the connector. I think it just blew everything out. Let's see what's on the end. No, it snapped it. Typical dog barf. Yep.
pad 5 on the C65. 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. And it went that a ways.
Nice Skyrider. Yeah, the Mylar streamers makes it really easy to find it in the viewfinder.
Yes, sir.
All right, not bad. And 516. Putting things away.
Sample size.